going through it though, bro.
Ball game, one pray though. What them garbage are right or so, bro?
For real, G. They need
At
to keep
least
the
I'm
park
on the
better,
right
bro.
or so.
Who they just?
How are they, but?
Bro, that's your brother?
Oi!
Bro, that's your brother?
How what you are doing? Bro,
No.
what you are doing so again? Brother, what is that? Where you are going?
Me get put out again.
Eh?
Me get put
How many
out.
times he getting kicked out, bro? This is crazy, bro.
Go now, fella back at me for.
Brother,
Make me leave me now, make me live my life now.
Play ball, you know. Everybody know we out here, you know, brother. What you
Bro,
are
you
doing,
gonna
sir?
embarrass us, bro. You gonna
This is an
embarrass us.
embarrassment to yard, man.
Bro.
Island.
What you want me do? What you want me do? What you want me do? Me think where they get put out. So what you want me do? Me prefer leave here.
Put out.
Me prefer leave.
Going back.
Me
Bro, I
prefer
thought
sleep.
you said you had an English girl. What happened to that?
English now.
The woman, the British woman, him attack when me talk to
Say
last
left
week.
from American, Ghana, British.
And the British woman when me did talk to be the woman, the lady, come back here.
She catch
You me understand? Your friend understand patois?
She catch you with a cup of tea. She
Me-
caught you with
the
a
British-
cup of tea.
No, the British woman, the lady. I'm moving.
You know how to make tea?
I'm moving with the lady, you know. Me moving with the lady, and the lady, I go tell me say, I say later on, she's gonna pray on me.
Put it on you.
So I me think say she attack like 'cause she buy one leg Ganzi. Something I Ganzi, she just say she go
Oh,
put
she
on me.
made you a bloke.
No,
Hey.
You don't take
gonna
everything
change
for
your
joke, you
name
know.
From Willow to move out.
Move out. Cause brother,
Bro, so what you doing in your Walmart vest, bro? What, you
I work
left from
at it.
work and
I
came
find
here?
me fine after me no live, after me no work at Walmart. I find me fine. Cause me nah no clothes, and me cool out here.
Bro, so what happened
And
to
every
the money
time-
you
every
gave him,
time-
bro? What happened to the money he gave to you?
Every time me put on, you have a problem with wearing me clothes that me wear. So me tak wear clothes and me wear the Walmart because I find me fine.
So what happened to the money he gave to you, bro?
one
Me
thing.
take it buy food cause me did hungry. Do you no business with that?
So
Go talk to
want
your
him
family.
the room. You couldn't get a room,
Bro,
brother.
this man
And then
disrespectful,
call
bro.
you
I
or
can't even
something,
help
bro.
him.
Maybe buy food with the sitting and see me room here. I'm me room.